Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi surati Hud. يقدم قومه يوم القيامة فأوردهم النار وبئس الورد المورود. Translation: He will go ahead of his nation on the resurrection day and will lead them down into hellfire, and wretched is the place to which they are led. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَأُتْبِعُوا فِي هَذِهِ لَعْنَةً وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ بِئْسَ الرِّفْدُ الْمَرْفُودُ. Translation: And curse is made to follow them in this world, and on the day of resurrection, what a bad reward or a gift is that which was given to them. The people of Pharaoh followed him, and they were drowned in the world, and they will also get painful punishment because they listened to Pharaoh and they followed Pharaoh. So in the world, the people of Pharaoh were following him, and Pharaoh was their leader, and they were all destroyed because they followed a leader who was a sinner and who was not rightly guided. In the hereafter, the same thing will be repeated, that these followers of Pharaoh will be following him, and he will bring all of them into the hellfire. So they will get the painful punishment in the hereafter, and they got all drowned in the world because of following a sinful leader. Not only this, till the end of times, the people will be cursing Pharaoh and his nation because they were the sinners, and even in the hereafter, the angels and the people of possession will be cursing them. So this curse or lana will continue in the hereafter and will never end, as if this is the reward they got for following this sinful leader. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and make us follow the sincere and righteous leaders. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.